Hello, this is Yolanta from the YouTube channel English with an Erudite. Hello gardeners and garden lovers. While we are still waiting for the spring to come and especially for the summer to come, I would like to take you for a walk around my garden in the summer of 2021. Unfortunately, at that time I had very little idea about creating a YouTube channel, so I didn't film a lot, but I would like to share with you what I managed to film in June and July. My garden is in zone 6B. The size of the garden is 5.5 hours with the house. Enjoy! We start at the front with my very old, really vigorous rose. I love its scent, but it's rather invasive and spreads by underground runners. An old red climbing rose and a Westerland rose. Some flowers in pots, some pelargoniums and an excelsa rose in the background. Another old climber, which unfortunately is not black spot resistant. Probably a Rosa rugosa hybrid, I'm not sure. In a rather shady corner of the garden, a hydrangea and another climber on a pergola. My white and blue bellflowers, which are very easy to grow, easy to divide. I really recommend it for beginners. An aspirin rose by the fence, very young. Some hostas. An Angela rose and a Mary rose with a delicious fragrance. The famous Mozart and the outstanding climber called New Dawn. My old-fashioned Deutzia, probably it's the Pride of Rochester variety, but I'm not sure. And the excelsa, again, it's a rambling rose with very light fragrance. It grows on both sides of the fence together with some clematis and hibiscus. The Miracle on the Hudson is bee-friendly. It's very, very young, grows with some cosmos plants and some catmint. And my cottage style corner with rose campions. The Angela we've already seen. A gazebo and a 9-bark bush. And some ferns. My hydrangea, which I never protect from frost, it's I think about 20 years old and it survived very low temperatures, so I don't bother. A brand new flower bed with Robin Hood and Dinky Roses and 3 Arabella clematis plants. I really love the colour of the Arabellas. Again, my cottage style corner with the rose campions and valerian and a daylily, a Rambler Brenda Colvin, some geraniums and a bee-friendly Rosalina. again geraniums, and the yellow daylily. Finally, a rainbow after a summer storm over my neighbor's trees. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.